Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to automatically transcribe your video or audio into text. So before we get started guys, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. Leave a comment below, like the video, and share guys if this video helps you at any point in time. Okay guys, so let's get started. How I usually transcribe my audios or video is a client would normally send me the audio or video file, and then I would come to this website, Otter.ai. Okay guys, once I'm on this website, you will need to create a profile. Once signed up with your email and setting up a password, you will arrive on the home page, which is this page right here. Once you're on the home page, what you need to do now is click on import audio/video right here and go and browse files. So I'll just select the audio that I want to be transcribed right here, copy of Diane Plitka, and wait for it to upload. Alright guys, so once it's finished uploading, you just go ahead and click done, and you can have the website notify you once it's finished auto transcribing, so you can come back and check back on it later. So notify me right here, you just go ahead and click on that. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's currently processing, so we'll wait for it to finish and then get back to the video. Okay, alright guys, once the transcription has finished and it says ready, go ahead and click on it. Perfect. And as you can see here guys, the transcription has been done. Now let me say this, no automatic transcription will be 100% perfect, but this one is very good, and once the audio is clear, it will get a lot of it correct. Okay, so you can just go through it, and as you can see, it shows the minute and everything like that, and it shows like different speakers when they're talking. So if I go ahead and press play.
Okay, it's running now, and this is Diane Plitka, and she has agreed to be recorded for this interview on the selection project.
See guys, so it has been completely edited, transcribed, and if you want to edit any part of it, all you have to do is go ahead and click edit, and then you can take your time to go through it and change whatever you want to change. See that guys?
Thank you for doing this.
And that's basically it. It's as simple as that guys. So if you are looking for a fast and easy and accurate auto transcription, this will be one of the best options for you to go with. Okay, if this video helped you in any way, please do remember to subscribe, like the video, comment, and share. Thanks again guys. Bye.